Now this is Major. He's going to be the alpha bull when he grows up. And this, I have no idea what her name is. Really? You hungry? And that, I have no idea what her name is. And that one over there. Major. Come on. Do it again. Major Danger. No, I ain't gonna touch the fence either. You kidding? I never touch that. Oh, there you go. There you are. I was wondering where you were. Yeah. You're big. And that's the alpha female. Oh, yeah, that's nice to see. Leaking. Major! Well, there's the other one. Right there. I'll get you guys' you hungry? You getting hungry? Well, I bet you are. You want your ninny? Want your nin-nin? Want your moo? That's what they call it here. Moo. Milk. Moo. What are you all jostling about, huh? You're a card. There's all the... Really? Get your ninny. Go over there. Go over and get your nin. Come on, guys. Go over here and get your nin.
Come on, Minnie boy. Come on, Major. Good boy.
You can go in and open the door. Oh, I know. I want to get in.
Take the chain off, put the chain back.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I did yesterday and the other day. Major loves to eat. You can tell. He's still on the bottle, but he's learning. Ah, get back. You, young lady, go on. There's the other cows. Moo. Go on. Go on. Go. Round them up.
John, you gotta move down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Move down a little bit.
Oh, shit. Mud. Thank God it's mud.
His jersey's coming up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank God that was mud, not cow shit. I know. Getting this for everybody on.
Maggie, get him. Get him, Maggie. Get him. Row him up. Not Jersey. Go inside and do it. Come on.
Let's see what we have to put between them this morning.
There she goes.
Yeah.
God damn her.
Yeah, she's gonna push her out of the way. Yeah, she's gonna push her out of the way.
Look at this out here. Get. Maggie, come here. Come here, Maggie. Yeah. Get him, get him, get him. Not Jersey. Come on. Come here. Get him. Come on, Jersey. Go back in. Come on, Reds. Out. 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 John.
Yeah, I got her. I got her.
Come on, Jersey. Come on, girl. There you go. No, Jersey girl, you can go in there and eat. That's a girl.
Go. 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 Go.
Get her, Maggie. Maggie, get up here. Get him. Get him.
Maggie, get him.
Come. Come on. Talk to him. Come here and help me, Maggie. Come here and help me. You're a good girl. Good girl, come here. Good girl. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Keep him at bay. Keep him at bay. Maggie, come here and get Redsy. Tell her. Come on. I know you're mad at me, aren't you? You're like, Dad, you're my favorite. I'm supposed to be your favorite cow. You're beating me again.
Where?
What's the matter, Jimmy? Jim. Daddy, I ain't getting beat. I'm staying over here.
Yeah, I ain't get my ass kicked. No fucking way.
Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. You get him when I tell you to get him. Maggie, go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Maggie, go get her. Get her. Get this one. Right here. Get her. Get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go. Go get her. Oh, get her. Make her mad. Tell her you want her. Come on. Get your blue color out. Go get him. Come over here. You're behind him. I want you in front of him. How's Jersey girl doing this morning, huh? Jersey girl doing all right? Huh? Yeah. Come on, Jersey. You're fine. When we first got her, you could see every single rib.
Really? That one over there, he's still saying, he's still saying, nope, I ain't going over there.
And that's Jimmy. That's my firstborn girl.
Is it?
And she won't get eaten.
Yeah.
Her or Major won't. That one's the next on the hit list.
Really? It's a good sized beef.
Well, as soon as she gets done having her next calf,
Mm-hmm.
because she should be pregnant. And when she gets done that's when she's going.
Yeah.
These two are about the same age.
Are they? They're about the same size then.
Yeah, the fat asses. You want me to bring you some treats later? You want me to bring you some treats later? I know you'd rather have sweet treats. Usually I can go up and,
Yeah.
well, since I already smacked her this morning, she's not in too happy a mood.
Yeah, she's not gonna be happy with you.
No, she wants what's in that pulp.